Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of healthy living with what we believe is the best cold press juicer on the market. The Canoly Cold Press Juicer. If you're looking to enjoy fresh, nutritious juices made from whole fruits and vegetables, this machine might just be your new best friend. The Canoly Cold Press Juicer comes with an impressive 6.1-inch extra-large feed chute, allowing you to toss in whole apples, cucumbers, and more without the hassle of chopping. This feature not only saves you time but also maximizes the juicing efficiency. No more tedious prep work. Just throw in your fruits and let the juicer do the magic. What truly sets this juicer apart is its professional slow masticating technology, operating at a gentle 50 RPM. This slow extraction process locks in all the essential nutrients while significantly reducing clogging and foam. The result? A high juice yield of up to 99%. That means more juice and less pulp in your glass. Plus, you can enjoy a smoother taste and vibrant color that comes from fresh juice. Worried about the cleaning process? Fear not. The Canoly juicer is designed with simplicity in mind. It consists of only 3 components that can be assembled or disassembled in just 5 seconds. With just the push of a button, you can remove the juicer's body and quickly rinse off any stains. Easy cleaning means you'll spend less time in the kitchen and more time enjoying your delicious juices. Safety is always a priority, especially in a busy kitchen. The Canoly Cold Press Juicer comes equipped with an automatic safety sensor that stops the machine when the feed chute lid is opened. This feature ensures that children and the elderly are safe while using this powerful juicer. With its 350 watts of power and durable construction, the Canoly Cold Press Juicer is not just effective but also built to last. Its sleek design, combined with a frosted finish, means it looks great on any kitchen counter. Whether you're a health enthusiast or just starting your juicing journey, this juicer is an excellent addition to your kitchen arsenal. So, if you're ready to elevate your health and enjoy delicious, homemade juices without the fuss, the Canoly Cold Press Juicer is definitely worth considering. Thank you for joining us today on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And subscribe for more insights on the best products out there. Until next time, happy juicing!